Welcome back to another short, everyone. Today we are looking for a geocache at a waterfowl or wildfowl museum, and it should be in one of these boats. I see it. Here it is. It is locked up, so I'll just put it right here. Let's open it up. We've opened up the container. Got a little ghost 3D printed trackable. Got another trackable. Got some fun swag. Probably take some of the trackables and bring them around home, tie them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.